Welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model as per the isometric view. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new to the FreeCAD and if you want to master the FreeCAD as a beginner, then I have made a FreeCAD crash course for the beginners where I have covered FreeCAD in the 4 modules. In first module I have explained the basic things about the FreeCAD, how to install, what are the workbenches and user interface. So in second module I have covered part modeling, and I have covered all the aspect of part modeling like part workbench, draft workbench, and I have covered various type of a model including the 3D printing and how to work with the STL files and other CAD format files. Then in third module I have covered the assemblies in FreeCAD, how to use A2 plus workbench, assembly 4 workbench, how to insert fasteners, animations, and in fourth module I have explained how to work with a FreeCAD drawing. Apart from all this, you will get access to my Discord server, and you will also get the chat support where I will solve your queries. So please visit the link given in a video description, and this course is available on my Ko-Fi shop, so please visit link given in a video description of my Ko-Fi shop. So let's start on the tutorial. So for this I will create a body, then I will press the space bar and I will on my plane, and here I will switch to the orthographic view. So now if we see, this is the very simple part, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user. So we will create this profile first, and then we will extrude it, and then we will adapt this slot and hole. So for this, as per our isometric orientation, we will select this exit plane and we will create a sketch. And now I will go to the tree view and I will off my origin plane. And now I will create my part. So I will keep my part edge, this edge at my origin. So for this I will draw a rectangle, and height is a 10. So I will select this line and I will give my height 10, and I will delete this line for time being, and I will also delete this line, and I will give this dimension 70. So I will give here 70, and then I will draw a 3-point arc of radius 14. So from here I will select the 3-point arc, and I will make it tangent, and then I will draw a line, or simply I select the polyline, and I will create a very rough profile. So here I will select this line and this line and this line, and I will give the horizontal constraint, and I will select this one and I will give the vertical. Now this is the radius 14, so I will select this arc and I will give my radius 14, and from this line to the top is a 60, which we can see here. So I will select this line and I will give the 60. This is the 8, and this one is a 48, so I will give the 48. And this one is a 7, and this one is a 23. Now we will give the tangent here. So here is a conflict, so I will find out the constraint and I will delete it. Now there is a dimension which is missing, so we will find out from here. So this should be vertical, and I will delete this constraint 32. So this is the 10 mm, this is the 7. So here in a top view we can see that this is the 28 plus 12, so it is a 40. So this means that from this point to this point dimension is 40. Right, now we will move it, and now we will find this dimension. So here we can see that this is the 8 and this is the 7, but this dimension is not given. So we will consider it as a approximate. So I will select this line and I will give the horizontal dimension. This is the 7, so I will consider it as a 10, and I will move it to the inside, and I will make this point and this point as a vertical. So here is our sketch is fully constrained, so it does not look appropriate. So instead of 10 I will make it 8 mm, and I will switch to the isometric, and here is our sketch is fully constrained. And I will close it, and we can see that total extrusion length is 28. So I will click on the pad and I will give the 28, and I will again edit it and I will make it symmetric to the plane. I will say OK. Now here we have made our base profile, this one, and now we will make the fillet. So for this is the R14, so I will select this edge and this edge, and I will give the fillet and I will give here 14. So in the case of a 14 it is failing, there is some problem with FreeCAD, so I will give 13.99, which is very close to 14. So here is our fillet, and I will say OK. And now I will give my top fillet, which is the also R14. So I will select this edge and this edge, and I will give here same 13.99. okay, and now I will make this slot. The slot dimension is given here, so simply I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and I will switch to the isometric view, and now I will select the slot from here. So here is a conflict, I will delete it, and now center to center distance is a 20, so I will give here 20. So this is the horizontal dimension, so I will select this and this, and I will give horizontal dimension of 20, and slot radius is R6, so I will select this and I will give the radius 6, and from the bottom it is 54, so I will select this and this, and I will give it is a horizontal dimension 54. Now I will close it and I will go for the cut, and I will say true all, and I will say OK. And now the things which remained is make these two holes. Now I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and I will project this outer edge, and it is a diameter of 12. So I will select the circle, I will give the 12, I will close it, and I will go with extrude cut, and I will say true all, and I will say OK. Now I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and I will switch to the isometric view, and then I will go to the top and I will project the arc edge. Now this is the diameter 12, so again I will select circle and draw a circle, and I will give the diameter 12, and I will close it, and I will say extrude cut, and I will say true all, and I will say OK. So we have made our model. Now I will give color as per my isometric view, so I will go to references and I will select here shape color. So I will give some similar color to our part. I will drag it. So you can see that we have successfully converted our orthographic drawing into the 3D model as per our isometric view. So this is all about this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my button. And if you like my method of teaching, then you can also support me on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow. And if you want to master the FreeCAD as a beginner, then please buy my course. It's link in a video descriptions. It is available on my ko-fi page. So please visit my ko-fi page and check the course structure. I will come with more useful tutorial like this for the beginner users, and I will also provide this source files and 2D drawing in the video description, so any beginner user can download my model and practice it. So this is all about these sessions. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.